So today I will give you 5 reasons why you should buy a GY650cc scooter, and in this video I will tell you why. Well, hello, today I'd like to give you 5 reasons why you should buy a GY650cc scooter. These scooters are really affordable, that's one of the reasons. If you go buy this scooter used, you can find one between $300 to $600 online. So this is a fantastic price. Plus, if you like to buy this one new, it will cost you around $1,500 to $1,700 new. After that, another reason why I really like this scooter, because they're really affordable on gas. You know, with $3 gas, you can go around for a week. You know, for around 70 miles to 75 miles per week. You know, 75 mpg. So this is a fantastic. 1 gallon lasts you a long time with these scooters. After that, if you really want to buy a scooter, if you need to buy this scooter, try to buy a 150cc. It's a lot better, more reliable, larger body scooter with a little bigger frame. Right after that, if you like to buy this scooter, remember that insurance is really affordable. The insurance for this scooter will cost you about $300 to $500 per year. So this is a fantastic reason why you should buy these scooters. Another great reason, this scooter, they have a lot of storage. If you look right here, you have a glove compartment. Right underneath your seat, you have a lot of room where you can put a lot of things, and back here you have your trunk. Okay? After that, another good reason why you should buy these scooters, the GY6 scooter 150cc, you should buy them because all the parts are really affordable, between $8 to $30. So if you need to buy a spark plug, it could be $5. If you need to buy a stator or a starter, they're around $20. So it's great price that you're going to pay online for all those parts. So they're really affordable. Now the last thing that you have to remember, that good reason to buy the scooter, that they are lots of fun to go around with. Now you have to be careful when you go around. You have to pay attention. You have to keep an eye on everything when you're riding the scooter. You need to have an helmet, you need to have gloves, and you need to protect yourself with the scooter going around. So, at this point, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.